Hi guys, Velian speaks tech and a very short update on what is now becoming the Google Pixel 4 Face Unlock Gate. I'm not sure if somebody's keying this in, and I'm not the guy that found this out, guys, but look at this. Google Face Unlock will grant access to your phone even when your eyes are closed. Then all someone has to do is hold your Pixel 4 up to your face while you're asleep, or maybe while you're taken off, or maybe while you're handcuffed, to a chair or restrained. Anyone could access your phone without even needing you to be awake, or in theory alive. And again, techradar.com. Google Pixel 4 Face Unlock isn't as secure as you'd hope. BBC, Google Pixel 4 Face Unlock works if eyes are shut. The Verge, Google Pixel 4 Unlock has one major privacy weakness. It's all over the internet, guys. And I just read also on Android Authority that the BBC went to Google and they asked Google, guys. So it's BBC News here. Google Pixel 4 Face Unlock works if eyes are shut. So this article is by Chris Fox, who is a tech reporter there. Google has confirmed the Pixel 4 smartphone's Face Unlock system can allow access to a person's device even if they have their eyes closed. And guess what, guys? My elder son is 6 years old, so if he probably learns this while I'm asleep, and if I would to be using the Pixel 4, you can imagine. One security expert said it was a significant problem that could allow unauthorized access to the device. By comparison, Apple's Face ID system checks the user is alert and looking at the phone before unlocking. Google said in a statement, Pixel 4 Face Unlock meets the security requirements as a strong biometric. Speaking before the launch, Pixel product manager Sherry Lin said there are actually only two face authorization solutions that meet the bar for being super secure, so for payments, that level it's ours and Apple's. So let's read this through again. So for payments, that level it's ours and Apple's. On Tuesday, BBC News tested the Face Unlock feature on the new Pixel 4. Okay, and now we have here actually the post itself, proof for those asking, made by Google Pixel. So this person apparently is having a Pixel phone. Jesus Christ. Using the default settings, the phone still unlocked if the user pretended to be asleep. The test was repeated on several people with the same result. Images of the Pixel 4 leaked before launch showed a setting labeled requires eyes to be open in the facial recognition menu. However, this setting was not present on the devices loaned to BBC News. Google told the BBC News it would not feature on the Pixel 4 when it went on sale on the 24th of October. If someone can unlock your phone while you're asleep, it's a big security problem. One security expert means someone unauthorized, a child or a partner, could unlock the phone without your permission. Google's Pixel 4 support page tells the customers your phone can also be unlocked by someone else if it's held up to your face, even if your eyes are closed. It says concerned customers can switch on lockdown mode, which deactivates facial recognition when they want enhanced security. We will continue to improve the Face Unlock over time, and that's absolute bullshit, guys, and absolute crap. And I'm gonna let you know why. When Apple released the Face ID, and that they're doing this, kind of like 3D depth mapping to your face and etc. I think it took some months, and actually a Chinese security firm was able to kind of trick the system by building a realistic 3D mask of a face, right? And then what the Android vendors, guys, they did start to copy this functionality, and they were putting more like a gimmicky Face Unlock feature, just relying on a photo taken from the front camera that could easily be tricked even with just like holding a photo, right? to it, but they were at least saying that this is not a secure function, guys. Right? I'm using right now even Face Unlock on my OnePlus 7 phone, and you cannot unlock it with your eyes shut or closed, right? So for me, this is really a big scandal. So I'm not sure if there is an attack out there, but this is like Google's Pixel 4 Face Unlock gate. You cannot really bring this device to the market with this functionality and not at least put a very big disclaimer with very big bold red letters saying, guys, listen, you need to be aware of this, because with the face unlock functionality, you know, unlocking the phone, and potentially this can be also used for banking applications, payment applications, who knows what else applications. Yeah, and that's a phone that costs around $799, guys. So it's not a cheap phone, right? So taking this, I think face unlock gate, taking the fact that they cut down the unlimited storage for photos with unlimited quality on the Google Photos, taking down that they didn't put the latest SoC system on stock, Snapdragon 855 Plus. I think that the Google Pixel 4 doesn't deserve to be bought, and if you want to try a Pixel, guys, just stick around with the Pixel 3 or buy even the Pixel 3a, or even just don't buy the Pixel and buy, you know, a Xiaomi or a OnePlus phone or an Asus phone or whatever else, but just don't buy the Pixel, guys. I'm really very much disappointed, because these big companies, especially like Google, they don't have the right to do this kind of mistakes. All right, that's not Xiaomi, that's not OnePlus. Even if they do this, I wouldn't be happy. But if you're Google there, or if you're Apple, you're not allowed to do mistakes like this. And I just hope that this is going to get around the internet, and then people really will reconsider buying the Pixel 4. All right, Velian speaks tech over. Have a nice day.